Hi, welcome back to the channel. We have this question that involves derivatives and quadratic function. The question says a function f is defined by x squared plus px plus q, and is such that f of 3 will be equals to 6, and the first derivative f prime of 3 will be equals to 0. Now, let's form equations from this. If f of x is the same thing as x squared plus px plus q, first thing I want us to look for is what is f prime of x. That's the same thing as dy dx. And we know that if y is equals to ax raised to power n, my dy dx will be the same thing as a nx raised to power n minus 1. So we'll use this to find the first derivative. Let me create space here. First and foremost, f of 3 is equals to 6. That means in place of x squared plus px plus q, I'll begin to substitute for x. X will be x raised to power 3 plus 3p plus q is equals to 6. Now, 3 raised to power 2, this raised to power 2, not raised to power 3. Here is 9 plus 3p plus q is equals to 6. So that's 3p now plus q will be equals to 6 minus 3, which is equals to minus 9. 9 is coming to the other side to become minus 9 minus 3. So that's 3p now plus q is equals to minus 3. Let's call that equation 1. On the next side, I'm going to apply my formula here for the derivative, so that if my f of x now is the same thing as x squared plus px plus q, my f prime of x will be the same thing as 2x. Applying this formula, my a here will be 1, my n is 2. That will be 1 times 2, which is 2x raised to power 1, plus my p here will stand for a, and my n here will be 1. So I'll say have p, then x now will be raised to power 1 minus 1, which is x raised to power 0. So x automatically becomes 1. Let's create space here, so that f prime of x will be the same thing as 2x plus p. Now, f prime of x, when x is equals to 3, f prime of x is equals to 0. So that's 2 now into 3 plus p will be equals to 0. 6 plus p will be equals to 0. So that p now will be equals to minus 6. Let's call this equation 2. Now, conveniently, I'm looking for q. I can substitute for p in equation 1. So that my 3 now into minus 6 plus q will be equals to minus 3. Now, 3 times minus 6, that's minus 18, plus q will be equals to minus 3. Q will be equals to minus 3 plus 18, which is equals to 15. With this, you have your value for q, which is 15. I hope you understand how I went about differentiating and also applying it in quadratic functions. Thank you for staying with us, and see you in our next class.